Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you guys my new find today. Now this arrived today, but this came from China. Now a lot of my dupes like this are from China, and yes, obviously you heard it's already a dupe and you heard that it's a bag, and I'm actually very excited to show you guys what this is. Now I've been finding a lot of dupes for a lot of luxury items or especially luxury bag, because I really love the style. I love the design. I appreciate the designers, but you know, not all of us could really afford that type of item. Well, specifically like right now for the Hermes bag. And yes, this is an Hermes bag. If you want, comment down below. I'll wait for you. Comment down below on what color and what type of Hermes bag it is. Now there is the dupe for a Hermes BIRKIN, for an Hermes Kelly, there's a Picatin, there's also the Lindy, and there's also the Constance. Now, and there's other more. Although I love those, you could guess down below the color and also the design of the bag. So I'll wait for you for a few seconds. Oh, while commenting down below, now I have a story for this. Although I'm not a person who's earning as much as that, but I think for me, I don't think I'll be able to, or I will buy if ever I was offered one in Hermes itself. Like if they call me or contact me, I don't think I'll be wanting to buy a bag like that. Although it's an investment, I don't think for me on my lifestyle, I would prefer that. But for me, I don't think that's my kind of style or my kind of version of an investment. So yeah, I prefer to invest my money in a different kind of aspect, probably realty, like in stocks or maybe realty. But yeah, for me bags is not something I should invest in that is like really expensive, like super expensive. Although I appreciate the people who love the brand, who really invest in the brand, and yeah, maybe not, I'm not really sure. I'm never say never. So let's get into it after you comment down below. So here's the bag. Here is the box that it arrived in. I did open it just to check that this is the right one, this is the right color, because for me, before I receive anything, I really want to just accept, I really want to make sure that it's the correct one, or it's the correct color. So yeah, I inspected. So this is from China. It's a big box. Now you could try to guess on what it is. And yeah, so here it is. We'll just bring it out. To you guys, and I don't know if the silhouette is showing up already, but yes. So I've been obsessed with this color, honestly, and it's something I've been collecting for a few months already. I'm excited, and I've been almost every browser that I have, I've been checking these colors as well. So here it is. Oh, it comes in a dust bag, like in the bag and then the dust bag. So it's a dupe for an Hermes BIRKIN in white. Now, there's like a grainy here, but I'm not really bothered with that. But aside from that, oh look at it, it's beautiful. Now it doesn't have the protective. What's this? A protective sticker here, but so far I actually like it because whatever they arrived in, it's pretty good. And it's silver hardware. I actually, or what do you call it, palladium hardware when it comes to Hermes. And this is such a beautiful kind of leather type. It's soft, so it's actually nice, and it's protected here, this plastic. Now I will link the shop down below. The one where my husband got me a bag like this is in Shopee, but I found that this was on sale in Lazada. Like it was super, like I saved up like 500 or 600 pesos for that because I got this for less than 900. The one that my husband got is from Shopee, and he got also a discount there because of the coins. But this one, I didn't need coins. There was this big sale price and I just really had to have it. So yeah, this is the bag. I think because of this, the color itself depends on what color you're getting. It depends on how the sale price of that. Yeah, I got it. It's stunning. So let's open it. I'm not going to remove the plastic yet, but I will later. So it still has that turn lock. This one doesn't have a lock set, just like the regular Birkin, but I'm actually okay with that. And comment down if this is like the hack, more on the dupe for the hack, the Hermes hack, rather than this one, the Hermes Birkin, because they're almost the same. Plus, it has that stuff in there, so it's pretty good. Oh, and the perks of this one that the real Birkin doesn't really have is it has long straps for the two sides. Now, I really opt for the ones with holes on the sides for the strap, because I got a Birkin, I think you remember that, this is my baby blue one, the smaller one. It's really adorable, but the long strap is actually here at the back, and I'm not really happy with that because it ruins the design. This one, it hides the holes, and here's the long strap, it's the same. I think this is close to the gray Tourdorel. Sorry if I'm butchering that name, but yeah, it's close to that, or Anata, the one that's white. That's the almost color close to this one. I think pretty much the offer of colors or variations of colors in the market for these dupes is the neutral ones are easier to what it looks like for the real Hermes bags, and then the ones with the brighter colors differ. It depends. I'm just lucky I got the one named Kelly gifted to me by one of the ones, the mini Kelly was gifted to me by one of my best friends, and then the other one that was a bigger Kelly size, I think it was size 20 or 22. And it was much bigger, and it was also baby pink. It was adorable, and it's close also to what it is in the actual market of Hermes. So here's the strap. It's an adjustable strap. It's really nice, and I could just hide the strap inside. I don't need to remove it. And then yeah, this is the back. And then when you just close it or seal it, it still has the cover for the strap, the belt here. I would call this a belt. I kind of don't know. I could comment here what it's called. But yeah, this is the bag. It's a beautiful color bag. It matches actually my outfit because I'm wearing a black and white outfit. But aside from that, this is a stunning bag. Now, the Birkin, I think this one doesn't bend. Like this one, as you can see, if I let it go, it drops like that. But aside from that, yeah, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with this bag. Perfect for the crook of my arm, and it's big enough for an office bag. Now, I do want people to invest in big quality bag, but so far I have already 2 of this right now. I have the gray one as well, but I actually have another 2, and then I'll probably just link it below where I got it. Honestly, I got it in Lazada as well. I will do a feature of those colors as well, but right now I don't want to detail. Oh, by the way, speaking of details, it has 4 feet also down here. It's good. I'm going to just remove them. So it's not like the Hermes that has like a clear sticker or what, but I'm actually really happy with this. I've been thinking and contemplating on getting a white bag, or a white Birkin, but I really was thinking that, am I going to use it? Is it something for style? But for me, I've noticed that I'm more leaning towards a white bag than a black bag. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I think part of it I figured out is because before I have a lot of black bags. I mean, until now I still have a lot of black bags. I might show you, or comment down if you also want me to show you my black bag collection, because I have a lot, and I only bought one black bag that is something I really wanted to buy, like really wanted to buy it. It's another dupe as well. But yeah, this is the bag. Oh, I love it. I mean, although these ones are like really deformed, you can actually pull this to make it look like more like the Birkin. See? But yes, I love this bag. It's beautiful. It's so versatile. White, can go wrong with white. People would say you can go wrong with black, but you really can go wrong with white. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this. I hope you like the eye candy that I showed you today. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe as well. Tell me if you want other bags or other dupes that you want me to find. And if I like some of them, or I've been thinking of looking for them, I would showcase those dupes for you guys. So yeah, I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye!